COVID-19 has fundamentally reshaped what we believe to be true about our businesses, our lives, and even our own ambitions. But what is it specifically about COVID-19 that has changed the way we see the world? Some commentators have said that it's a black swan. This is completely untrue. It's not a black swan. It's a white swan, which is exactly what Nassim Taleb has said. What are the differences between the two, and what are some of the tools that futurists use to think about the future? What are some of the ways in which not just futures thinking, scenario planning, modeling and the like fit together, but more importantly, how do you create the kind of business that you want moving into the future? What is it that leaders need to do to understand the difference between the probable, the plausible, the possible, and the preferable futures that they want, and how do you then start to create that? In a series with the manufacturing Indaba, I'll be exploring some of these options, and more specifically, how can you be guided by your decisions to ensure that you start creating the manufacturing business that you want by thinking backwards from the future.